So catching these walleyes today, we're using a couple different baits. Number one is going to be a glide type bait. And number two is going to be a blade bait like this. This is a half-ounce version. But more importantly, it's not really what you're using, it's how you're using it. So I want to talk a little bit about the cadence you use to jig in a river system, especially when you have current that you're always dealing with. So the first thing I like to do a lot is check the water clarity. You know, we're out here in October, the water's a little bit cleaner than it is, say, in the summertime, but I want to drop a lure in the water and check visibility. So let's just say visibility is a foot. What I want to do then is when I cast out to my area that I think the fish are in, I let the lure go to the bottom. And what I want to do is keep that lure generally within a foot, because that's their sight line. That's what they can see. So as soon as it hits bottom, I want to reel up the slack, of course, and then I pull it up about a foot off the bottom, and what you want to do is hold it there. You don't want to just drop your rod tip back down. So lift it up and hold it. Let that lure just hover with the current going along the bottom. As soon as it hits bottom again, you reel in the slack and you lift it back up and you hold it. Letting that bait hover within the foot of the bottom, within their eyesight, within the strike zone. That's the number one thing I learned when I started fishing the Mississippi River, is let that bait hover. That's how you're going to get most of your bites. I would say probably 90% of them are going to come when that bait's just hovering naturally across the bottom. So keep that in mind the next time you're out casting on a river system. And it don't matter if you're on the big Mississippi like we are now or on a smaller river. Rivers are rivers, they always have current, so use that cadence, and it's definitely going to help you catch more fish.